Oh, poor guy, he's injured. You thirsty? Drink up. Hey, oh, gross. He spit it right back out.
Oh, should we put the cone up in the center again? That is what you think it is, guys. Welcome to North County, West Florissant. Show me sounds and wheels. We will put speakers on that horse. Oh, got it. Hurry up, grab it.
That definitely had some fire in there.
Yeah. Cool. It's good. If we break it, we can buy it.
Piece of shit. That piece of shit over there. Look at that little guy. And the night's not over. This car is almost done. A little bit of work under there. Got the new stereo. Who needs coffee when you just wake up to some shaking trunk?